Good morning, guys. Good morning from Hyderabad. So we're all set to ready. We're all set to leave. Already loaded the top box. Now I just need to load this. These just need to load the remaining things and then get ready and leave. So expecting to start by 4:45 ish. And today's destination is Nagpur. This is where we stayed. We're all set. We have 521 kilometers, 9 hours 10 minutes. I'll make sure that I'm putting the bike map. Okay, yeah, let's go. 4:58 a.m. Let's go to Nagpur. So I could not sleep much. Wasn't a pleasant stay. So what happened was I had dinner and I started to read something. I slept off without even realizing. So avoid this hotel Park Niveda at any cost, please. So yeah, I could not sleep much, so I slept off while reading the book and hardly slept for 2.5 hours. And I did not even keep the phone aside. So one of my friends called me and I woke up and that's it. Then again I started reading. I tried to do something. I tried sleeping but I could not. So I thought, okay, I would leave early at least. I mean, I was ready by 3 o'clock, but it would be too early considering that it's foggy and low visibility, and also I thought I'll start after 4 aram se. So here we are. So we are riding through the old city. We are lucky that we are riding at this time, otherwise it would have been hectic traffic. Begum Bazaar Road, just imagine. I cannot say fully loaded, but at least loaded bike. There's riding gears and scorching sun in the bumper to bumper traffic. Just imagine. I can actually take a shorter route to Beetle. So if you put Jaipur directly from Bangalore, it shows a different route. Instead, the reason why I'm taking the route via Orcha is just that I want a different experience and I don't want to stress, I wanted to enjoy the ride. Kind of splitting it to shorter rides, not really shorter, 500, 600, instead of doing it, 800s and 750s and all. So have time, taken 2 weeks of leave, and I think I should be able to manage it. And my friend, whose name is Rohan, his wedding is on 27th. So in any scenario I would reach Jaipur by 24th or 25th, and then that's it, nothing like it. I have a good day of rest. I don't think you can see, I don't think the visibility is that great, so I will continue later. I don't think you can see. If you see towards my left, that's the Hussain Sagar Lake. So this is the one. It's a huge lake. Yeah, those who have been to Hyderabad or know about Hyderabad must have heard about this lake. 36 kilometers through the city. With the work in progress, it would have taken easily 2 hours. Okay, we just did a full tank, and now I need a tea or a coffee. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. We still have 481 kilometers. We have a lot of time. I need a tea or a coffee. Just get refreshed and then continue. Okay, that was Much needed break. Much needed coffee. We're already on the NH44. So all perfectly set up. Just have to enjoy the ride. Stay focused on the road and just enjoy the ride. That's what we need to do. It's completely foggy, it's misty, and it's a beautiful sunrise happening right hand side. NH44 needs a lot of maintenance, so it's almost going to be 8 o'clock. We'll take a break for breakfast. We have done 135 kilometers and we have around 380 kilometers more to cover. Oh, it again. You see this? See? So this is what happens. At least here they put that. But if you see this, I'm sure either the driver must have not noticed, or the sign was not there indicating that the road is not good, or you just go like this. It's very nice. Surface is really good. You just go like this, and all of a sudden the road ends. That's what happens. So yet another shop, yet another dhaba actually, where there is nothing.
Finally found a working dhaba. Going to have 2 omelets, maybe a tea or something, or maybe black coffee, and then we'll continue.
Alrighty. So done breakfast. Feeling much better, and that too, it was very nice without any oil they prepared. So it was a healthy option. Another 350 kilometers to Nagpur. So I'm sure the ETA must have moved to around 3:15. Took a decent 20-30 minutes break. Much needed indeed. Now we'll try to catch up and try to reach as early as possible.
Actually very sleepy, very sleepy. That's why I thought of taking a break. I've done 50 kilometers from the breakfast. I might take a small break, maybe a power nap here, and then I'll continue. Let's see, let me finish the coffee and then I'll see. ठीक है, मिलते हैं, bye.
Met some nice people. I was very sleepy. Chalo. So there was an interesting conversation. So yeah, I was sitting there for quite some time, and one uncle came suddenly asking, "Where are you guys going?" So the other folks who were sitting there, I think they're traveling to Riva for some work. They are from Riva. They went to Hyderabad and they're going back. And this guy thought I belong to the same group. And I told him that I'm going to just explore or just traveling. So he was asking, what do you get? What do you get by traveling by bike? I see a lot of people riding in groups, going like this. What do you guys get? Are you guys getting something from the government? Are you getting money? Something like that. What's the point of, traveling by bike? It's a very interesting conversation. So one of those guys told him that it is said that those who travel more, those who travel far, the brain gets developed. They get wisdom. They understand things. Okay. And then a third person came, and this uncle was telling him that this guy is traveling all around India solo, and it looks like his brain is going to be developed. He's gaining wisdom. Government is not giving him anything. He's not getting any money. He's just gaining wisdom. So I don't know where he came from. I was completely tired. I was fully sleepy. And this conversation kind of woke me up. It helped more than the caffeine. And here we go. I'm rolling again. I think towards my left, I think we are somewhere nearby Armour, yeah. So Armour rock formation, peculiar type of formation. You must have seen if you watched my Ladakh video. I think I have a drone shot also. Let's see if I can add it. We can find the similar kind of pattern in Senji Fort also in Tamil Nadu. But yeah, another 318 kilometers. Now Google shows it is 4 o'clock by the time I reach. Let's see, no rush, no hurry. I don't want to give up. I want to ride safe. At the same time, I don't want to take a lot of risk. But if I feel sleepy, I'll stop. I'll take some break. Slowly, safe and steady. I'll reach Nagpur for sure. Then I need proper rest. I need proper sleep. Hoping that it would help me from tomorrow onwards. I'm not even able to talk. I'm not even able to click pictures. Just because of the sleep. It's kind of messed up. I don't know how much you can correlate. If you work night shift, you might be able to understand. Yeah, so let me preserve this energy. Let me continue this momentum, and let's see if it can take me till Nagpur. This is the rock formation that I'm talking about. Different than the usual ones that we see in India. This particular stretch till Adilabad is awesome. Love this road. Very high quality. Very good road. This is a kind of a hill station. Sorry, not a hill station. This is a kind of a ghat road, we can say. And these trucks, they find it very difficult to gain momentum. They find it very difficult to maintain the speed, so they gradually slow down. We got to be very careful. Let's see how this guy is driving. I think we have done good distance from the last stop, where we have done close to 150 kilometers in no time. Beautiful twist is time is almost 1 o'clock. Took at least 20-25 minutes break. I had a couple of teas. We have 171 kilometers to Nagpur. It would take 3 hours and 15 minutes. We would reach by around 4 o'clock, is what Google says. So, yeah, it was much needed. Yeah, let's continue our ride. And yeah, got freshened up. I did not want to feel sleepy while riding. So, Patanbori, Nagpur, Jabalpur, Varanasi. Started seeing beautiful mountains. I think we're going to enter Maharashtra in some time. Looks like we have entered Maharashtra. Yeah, I think this is Maharashtra. Delhi 1162, Nagpur 150. Yet another refuel. Did not eat anything much. Taken a lot of sugar inside. I don't know how many teas I had. I don't know how many times I had tea. Looks like some. Looks like the road is under maintenance. So Google Map did show me another route, but I thought it was, just as it usually confuses. So instead, I chose to stay on National Highway. What it looks like this time, Google was correct, maybe, but it's okay. Looks like he wanted to talk to me. सब बढ़िया देखा तो जगह नहीं अच्छा ठीक है अब कहाँ जा रहे हो मैं अभी दिल्ली जाऊंगा भैया दिल्ली मैं जयपुर जा रहा हूँ जयपुर जाने वाला हूँ अभी सूखा माल नहीं वो सूखा माल है कच्चा नहीं है इसलिए नहीं भगा रहा नहीं तो कच्चा होता है तो भगाना पड़ता है हमको ठीक है looks like he has seen my vlogs, wanted to take a photo, so he was coming very close to me. I just wanted to understand what he wanted to talk or what he was trying to communicate. Just had a quick break. So I put map for Orcha directly. So what I'm going to do is, so it's 630 kilometers. Nagpur is another 29 kilometers exactly. So I'm gonna ride a little further from Nagpur, and then by the highway, if we find some good properties, we'll stay there. Not gonna, stretch more because I want proper rest. At the same time, I don't want to, go and stay somewhere else and take a detour and then start to Orcha tomorrow. I thought I'd put Orcha directly, and we'll see where the map takes us. This is the Nagpur bypass. We take this, bypassing the city, and we'll go towards Orcha. So instead, if I would have put the map for Nagpur, I would have gone straight and stayed somewhere closer to the city. So that's the whole point of putting Orcha directly. Love these roads. Love these curvy roads. So we have done this a couple of times already. Last time we stayed at Sivani. I told you guys the speciality of Sioni. Well guys, so here's an update. It's 4:22 and we are closer to Sioni. Could not find any proper accommodation till now. I am not sure what is going to happen, where we are going to stay. So just continue searching for a proper place to stay for tonight. I want a proper place. I don't want any random places and get disturbed. Today the rest should be proper. Should be a proper place. Be very careful this route, because you never know which direction people are coming from. I hope there is some town in between where I can find a proper place, where I can find a proper lodging, proper hotel, hopefully. I'm just being positive. Let's try our luck. Else, I have to go to Sioni. Okay, so guys, we are within the boundaries of the Pench Tiger Reserve, and this is the jungle where Mowgli was found. If you have read Jungle Book, or if you watched it, I'm sure you know Mowgli. Mowgli was found from a village nearby Sioni. So that's what Sioni is famous for. And we are riding through the boundaries of Pench Tiger Reserve or National Park. I believe there are accommodation, but I don't know how to book them. And I'm also sure that it includes the safari charges and all, but I am not planning to, or I haven't planned to go on a safari or something like that. And this is that elevated highway where it is constructed through the forest. So actually the animal crossing used to be a concern. Now animals can still cross underneath the bridge, and vehicles can just go through the bridge. I would not say it's the best measure, but that's what it is. So this is the forest, and this is shared between Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. So we are going towards the Maharashtra-Madhya Pradesh border, and I believe so. Sioni is obviously in Madhya Pradesh. So let's see if we are going till Sioni and staying there, or we find an accommodation before itself. This is the bridge. The wild animals can cross underneath the bridge. We have done this so many times. It's very dense forest, both sides. A lot of animal sightings are there. But yeah. And we're almost approaching the place where we hit the divider. That's towards the toll gate. So as I think we have crossed Maharashtra and now in Madhya Pradesh, and here is the toll gate. I will tell you where I hit the divider. That's the one. So luckily there was nothing coming from this side. I hit that divider. I came this side. Never forget in my life. So Sioni or Sivni is another 45 kilometers. From looks of it, I think we are going to stay at Sivni only, or Sioni. So guys, this is Sioni. Very crowded market area. So I'm trying to stay somewhere nearby the highway. Saw a hotel. I hope I'll get a room there. Let's see. So we are out of the Sioni city. This place is called the Sioni city. I hope rooms are available. I hope I get a good room. Thank you, baby. I love you. See you in the morning. Finally, we have reached at Sioni. Completely tired. See the dust? I need to clean this up. I'll have to clean this up. Let me get fresh. Let me, try to wipe it off. I also need to wash my, the skin fits. So
Then I'll order dinner, I'll have, and I'll wind up the video. All right. Okay, what a day it was. It was an amazing journey. Amazing journey. Kind of different sort of emotions. Initially, I thought I would not be able to reach Nagpur, but we have reached Sioni. It is actually 130 kilometers plus, so that's an advantage. So tomorrow we have to ride lesser kilometer. The plan for tomorrow is Orcha. We're already in Madhya Pradesh. We have crossed Maharashtra today, and I was feeling really, really sleepy. I could not eat anything. I had only, omelette in the morning, and then I did not have anything. So I came here, got freshened up, ordered food, had food, read the book, learned something, washed my clothes. So it's a productive day. It's a very happy, successful day. It started with a lot of difficulty. I was really sleep deprived, and I'm still very sleepy. Just trying to wind up this video. I think the time is around 9:30 or something like that. So I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna have at least decent 5 to 6 hours of sleep minimum. So I'll wake up as early as possible, and then we'll head towards Orcha. That is for tomorrow. If you like this video, let me know your thoughts and suggestions in the comment. If you like this video, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.